All right, so I'm going to refer you guys to the L7 Dex presentation that was created by the company itself. But before we do that, I want to preface this by letting you guys know, obviously last night, and I will post the video below, I did a $21,000 deposit. Now, how does this $21,000 deposit benefit you in this specific protocol? Well, the way that the affiliate compensation plan is set up is you're able to get 5% of what I'm earning on a daily basis, right? So I'm earning 1.5%. If we do the actual math, let's do the math. And this may get you guys pretty pumped up and excited. If we can go ahead and pull up a calculator here. Let me just go ahead and do that in a new window. We'll do a calculator. And if we take approximately 1.5%, okay, which is what I'm earning on a daily basis of 21,000, that's going to equal $315 per day, okay? That's if the growth token stays at the current price, right? Which it keeps going up at least 1 cent per day. Now, if we times that by 5%, which is going to be 0.05, that's $15.75 per day that you are earning as somebody that comes in underneath me. This is daily earnings, which is really powerful. So in other words, you're able to earn 5% per day off of your sponsor's earnings and also off of their sponsor's earnings. So you're not just earning this, you're earning off of whatever my sponsor deposited, which was $40,000, which is going to be right around $45 per day right now that you are earning for somebody that comes in underneath me. Now, in all transparency, as more and more people join underneath me, those earnings will be fractionalized, right? So the first person that comes underneath me will be earning $45 per day roughly. As more and more people join, that will be split between the people that are joining, just so you guys understand. So it's hugely beneficial to jump in early so you can start earning a larger percentage of the pie of my deposit as well as my sponsor's deposit. So between us, we've got over $60,000 worth of deposit. So if you're looking for a team to join, this is definitely the team to join. Of course, understanding that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This thing could be here today, gone tomorrow, but I jumped on board because of the other leaders that I'm close to that really believe in the longevity of this specific project. So I put my money where my mouth is. But as a disclaimer, we need to let you guys know that, of course, crypto is volatile and anything can happen. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn it over to the actual company that's going to give the presentation on how this works in depth. I'm going to include some resources to get started below, as well as my previous deposit video that I did last night. I think this is going to be something that's very, very big. So without further ado, let's turn it over to the company and the presentation.
Hello, and welcome to this presentation on L7 Dex. What is L7 Dex? It is an exchange that aims to become the largest decentralized exchange in the world. And why are we confident that L7 will succeed? Because savvy investors know that when evaluating a project, you always bet on the jockey, not the horse. L7 was founded by a group of experienced and successful Chinese investors. This group did nearly $5 billion volume with their former trading platform and sold it to a public company during the China crypto ban of 2017. They also owned 300,000 Bitcoin miners in Beijing, China, that were exported from China and rebuilt in North America after the ban in 2017. During COVID-19, they invested in a prestigious spa named Healthland with 50 locations in Malaysia. This group also owns 66% of the largest web TV in Asia, which has 6.3 billion monthly viewers. Now these investors are creating the largest decentralized exchange, or DEX, in the world. They have the capital, the track record, and the knowledge to build it, but need only one thing to achieve their goal as quickly as possible: a large user base for the exchange. And this is exactly the opportunity I want to present to you today. We have an opportunity to not only get in with an extremely lucrative marketing plan, but also leverage the growth of the exchange's native token. Anyone who's followed the development of native tokens like Pancake Swap, Sushi Swap, or even Binance knows what this means. Get in early and watch the value grow. The question is, how can I benefit from this unique opportunity? So let's talk about the company's marketing plan. The company offers us the opportunity to buy NFTs ranging from $100 to $100,000 and stake them for 10, 30, 90, 180, or 360 days. In return, we receive a daily gross staking reward of 1.5%. Now, why do I say gross? Because there are different fees depending on the duration of the staking. For example, a 10-day stake incurs a 30% fee, resulting in a net yield of 1.05%. A 360-day stake incurs a 10% fee, resulting in a net yield of 1.35%, or about 40% per month. The staking rewards are credited daily in the stablecoin called LUSD. 1 LUSD equals 1 USDT in the back office. And this is where it gets very exciting. Every day, we can decide for ourselves whether to convert our LUSD into USDT and make a withdrawal, or restake the LUSD, which in turn generates LSD with a 1.5% daily return. LSD is the official L7DEX platform token. The LSD token starts at 10 cents and its price will increase day by day until it's listed on major exchanges. The launch of L7DEX is expected in about 3 or 4 months. The LSD token will be for L7DEX what BNB is for the Binance Smart Chain, or what Ethereum is for the ERC20 network, meaning that anyone who wants to use the L7DEX and perform transactions will need LSD tokens to cover the fees. Now fast forward to a time when the L7 exchange is widely used. Could the value of the L7 token, that's LSD, then be compared to BNB and Binance? Maybe. But if that seems too good to be true, what if the value only grows to 10% of BNB? We would still be talking about a 100-fold increase or more over what we can get involved with now. So how do I get started? With Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Token Pocket, or similar wallets on the Binance Smart Chain. You need to have USDT BEP20 in your wallet and some BNB to cover the transaction fees. About half a BNB should be more than enough for that. Now, click the referral link you received and connect your wallet to the website. Now click on Bind to link with your sponsor. How do I buy NFTs? Click on NFT and choose the desired NFT. Then click on Buy. Next, confirm the transaction in your wallet and the NFT will be visible in My Assets after 2 or 3 minutes. How do I stake the NFT? Click on My Assets, and on the right side of the NFT, you will find a Stake button. Click it, then select the duration and confirm. For those who want to participate in affiliate marketing, L7DEX offers an extremely lucrative compensation plan. First, you'll receive 5% of your sponsor's staking profits and 5% of your sponsor's sponsor. This means you'll earn daily profits on 2 levels above you. Now, when you register a direct partner, you will receive a 10% profit share on their staking profits. And when they register a partner, you will also receive 10% of that partner's staking profits. Imagine having 10 people on the first level, each with 5 people on their first level. In that case, you will receive a daily 10% of the profits from 50 people. If those 50 people collectively earn $5,000 from staking, you will receive $500 every day. But that's not all. Once your team reaches $20,000, you achieve the rank of V1, and you'll receive a 10% daily reward on the entire depth of your team. Now let's talk about the differential bonus. This is sometimes referred to as a generational bonus or an infinity bonus. As you can see, you become a V3 when you have two V2s below you in two different legs. As a V3, you can receive up to 30% of your team's profits. If you have a leg with no rank in it, you will receive 30% of the earnings of everyone in that leg. If a leg has a V2 in it, that V2 will receive 20% of the profit from their group, and you will receive the difference between the 30% that you qualify for and the 20% that the V2 earned. In this example, you'll receive 10% on the entire depth of the leg below the V2 and 30% of the profits from the V2 up. That's why it's called a differential bonus, and it's powerful. Thank you for learning more about L7 DEX. Together, we can make it the largest and most lucrative decentralized exchange in the world.